Pambansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Pambansang pamilya. Samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.
Hi, Papampans! So, ito po yung first trip namin ulit after 7 years on our own without the kids. Medyo hindi kami sanay na walang kaguluhang nangyayari. Yung walang taranta, yung chill lang. Ayan o, chill lang siya. So, let's see kung makakapag-vlog tayo this trip or wala akong ka-create. Basta, yo, let's go! Let's go to Bangkok! So, merong isang tuwan-tuwa kasi white wine na. White wine. Tapos, naubos na niya yung kanyang red wine. Tapos, ngayon siya ay nag-beer. Cheers na! So, ang dami pagpipilian ng beer dito sa Thai Airways. Japanese, Thai. Sabi nga nung steward, hindi ko ano daw yung gusto namin meron. Muntik na kami humingi ng Kupandan shake as a challenge. Okay, hi Papampans! So, eto na nga, nakarating na tayo ng Bangkok. Hindi po natin alam kung mabubuo natin tong vlog na to kasi ang sabi sa akin ni Daddy Ren, i-try ko daw na to go on a trip na hindi nag-vlog para daw ma-enjoy ko. But anyway, sayang naman, di ba? So anyways, kapag ikaw ay nasa Bangkok ka, manonotice mo na mas mahaba yung pila lagi dito sa Super Rich Thai Currency Exchange. Yan, kasi dyan, lagi pong mataas yung rate. Actually, across it, meron laging currency, which is yun. Mako-compare mo siya na laging maiksi yung pila. Pero pag dito sa Super Rich, laging mahaba yung pila. So, yun lang, tip at ano?
Mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice habang nakapila. At hindi na po napigilan. Bumili na po. Yung sarap nito.
So, 100 baht.
100 baht.
Sa Central, 200 eh.
Depende talaga sa lugar.
Grabe. Legit.
Legit, right? So, ito na.
Thank you.
Kami ay kumain dito sa literal na gilid. Para maiba naman, di ba? O, tingnan nyo yan. Legit. O. Look at that.
OMG,
Legit.
Pero hindi tayo pwede mag-pay.
So, kakain na po kami. Masarap.
The next day.
Okay, Papampans, ito yung isa sa mga bagay na hindi namin nagagawa ni Ren pagkasama yung kids or hindi pa namin nagawa. Kasi alam namin, feeling namin malulugi lang kami kapag nag-avail kami nito with the kids. This is the Thai Bus Food Tour. Kung saan may sumasayaw. Yes, excited much. So kung saan meron kaming iikutan. Ano ba yun? Ano ba? May 21 places na iikutan na tourist spots yung bus. Pero hindi kami bababa because ang mangyayari ay kami po ay aakyatan lang ng food. Yan. So ito yun. I think yan yung sasakyan namin. maganda is mga restaurants daw ito na Michelin. Yan. Ibig sabihin mga bongga-bonggang mga food. So I'm really so very, very excited. Yahoo! Let's go! Hey! Okay, so here na po kami. Mag-start na yung tour.
It finished and then we will give the bus back later.
Oo.
Next to right now.
Isang
Cute.
hinipan ko lang.
Okay, so now everyone you enjoy it with about. So now the bus leave. Okay, so menu about
So, sinasabi na pwede mo kainin. Okay.
Who don't know which one Lotus Leaf?
So,
If
bahala
you
na
don't
kung
make
malaso.
sure it is the Lotus Leaf someone, you can ask over. You can eat Lotus Leaf with flavor. If you don't make sure which one is Lotus Leaf, you can ask me or her. Okay?
Okay, good.
Nag-iiba yung spice, ma'am. Yan.
Next is the
Kasama yung laman.
Yep. So, nag-start na po tayo. Na siya. We're touring around.
Okay, so this is original taste by the chef cooking from the restaurant. We will add something in the menu. We have our two minutes now. And then you can see the topping
Oh
of
my
your
God, sarap.
Yeah,
It's
the
delicious.
noodle, the topping is crispy dumpling shrimp roll, it's cooking. And you can eat the shrimp roll, fish roll, glass noodle, and morning vegetable.
Crunchy.
Vegetable in your menu, which is morning glory
It's good.
vegetable.
It's crunchy.
Eat together with fat noodle.
Crunchy.
Shrimp ball.
Okay, tikman na natin.
Okay, this is normal menu for you. Enjoy. For pink noodle soup, it's sweet, sour 2 years old. Whenever you take a look at entrance, means you are at Chinatown already.
Sweet, salty.
Right now, or you
Ito,
reach
sama.
Chinatown, finish. Yeah, because you have seen Chinatown already now, that in this area. You can go plus inside the temple, left side of the bus pass. The left side of the bus now, you can see this location of the Chinese temple construction, beautiful goddess. The beautiful god construction here, moving from China country to this area still now remain along 60 years ago. So you can observe many people travel there about Chinese people. Isn't it? That's right. You can talking with Thai people, mention Chinatown about Yawalan. Yeah. Okay, and then
Pwede din sa kids.
okay, and then
Masasayang na
for
kasi.
Chinatown so popular, where is it? Was it so famous? Whenever you travel to Chinatown, you ask the Chinese soup. Chinese soup in Chinese style, people calling that guai zhang. Yeah, I think you ever listen it. This soup mixed about pepper and pork soup steamed together and this 1 hour more. Cooking the soup finish and mix the crispy pork pieces with. So now we serve the curry sauce with rice for you. It is green curry with fish ball and rice.
Heart.
Green curry.
Normal
Green
menu,
curry.
you get green curry with fish ball and rice serving.
So, hindi ako fan ng curry, pero tingnan natin
So
kung
try
ano
the
lasa
taste.
nito.
You can try the curry sauce. It is original taste by Chef Cooking too. The curry sauce green one, it's spicy and sweet. Where is less spicy? Masaman curry is the less spicy taste. Green curry very spicy and sweet. Okay. very spicy and sweet. Then try the curry sauce. When what is so spicy for me, you can try it by yourself again. Yeah, it's spicy more for you or not. Yeah. Who eat the spicy taste with curry? You think about this one is so spicy for you, surely like me. Okay. You can try it a little bit first. Green curry sauce. It's sweet taste and spicy. Sweet and spicy.
Sweet and spicy. Ano itong mga to dati? Chicken. Chicken ba siya or ano? Baka mamaya. Ano?
Pero mas fan ako ng orange curry.
Pero ano to? Chicken to? Ito pala sabi niya it is. Kasi ako fan ng curry, kaya dahan-dahan lang ako. Dahil for the experience, let's go. Hindi kasi ako masyadong adventurous pagdating sa food. Ang gusto ko ibang adventure. So far, kanina pa inuubos yung mga pagkain ko. Ubusin niya din ito. Ending mamaya, hindi na naman siya kakain. Pwede ito kakainin ng picture ako.
Okay, so we serve here the second menu now. This normal menu get green curry. It's sweet and spicy taste. In green curry, you take a look down there, this one. Take a
Ayan.
look downstairs on the right side. This is Pad Thai restaurant location coming.
Ayan
Your
na.
Pad Thai menu dishes is coming by staff. They get Pad Thai menu dishes back to the bus and serve you on
Ay,
table
oo nga.
two.
So,
Okay,
ayun.
you enjoy
So,
it.
it's
The
Michelin
original
restaurant
taste of
daw
this
ito
menu
for
is
7
not
years.
spicy.
Master
It's
of
sweet,
Pad Thai.
sour,
So, I'm so
salty,
excited
but not
kasi
spicy.
sobrang
Yeah, you eat
favorite
spicy
ko
from
ang Pad
green
Thai.
curry already.
I
Then
live
this
for
menu
Pad
no
Thai
spicy.
here in Bangkok, pati mango sticky rice. May mango sticky rice daw ba?
Pipikapit.
You can put this one in the box, it's better, so safety for you. Yeah, okay.
Ito na siya.
So you get your menu, the last one. This is Pad Thai.
Masarap pa sa akin.
Noodle with shrimp. Today nobody allergy shrimp, and we serve you all people. Is the all types
Sarap
and beans
siya,
roll.
guys.
It is the Chinese shrimp and beans roll. You can eat
So,
with noodle
master of Pad
together.
Thai for 7 years. So,
And then
7
you can
years
see
na
peanut powder, that's right. Then peanut
Diba?
powder, you can scrape lemon juice on your noodle, get for sour, depending you like. Would you like
Diba?
spicy? We have chili powder, fish sauce, and sugar. So here's sugar. Would you like chili powder, fish sauce, sugar? You can request it now. We'll serve you later. and you can add it on your menu, okay? Popular menu restaurant and bar and hostel. Yeah, and then I recommend you must come to Chai. Special festival in Thailand is Songkran Festival. On Songkran Day, represent Thai New Year Day too, and also Songkran Day is the same festival. So more than 90% around the world know Thai New Year Day is Songkran Festival. Yeah, and
So, Papamfan, sa dami po ng kinain, nakakaantok na ako.
And then, a few times ago, our
Sa patabaing
his
ba?
family live here,
Ano?
and now the
Bili tayo mamaya.
Ng ano, mango sticky rice. Oo, bili talaga tayo. Mas mura doon sa may sa atin. Nasaan tayo sa mango sticky rice? Wala kasing mango sticky rice. Yun ang dapat nakasama. Wala siyang mango sticky rice kasi hindi daw season ng mangga. Dahil hindi season ng mangga, maasim. So ayaw nila masira sa maasim. Ang hindi nila alam, mahilig ako sa maasim. Tulad niya. Ang asim. Let's go. Doon na nga nagtapos ang ating Thai bus food ano daw? Thai bus food tour. At ayun na nga ako, nakatulog pa rin siya. Kaantok, sobrang kabusugan. Pero it's nice. It's a nice experience. Maganda siya. Kalma lang siya. Would you recommend it for kids? Not so much. Pero may in-offer din daw food for kids. Na separate ba?
Ang nakaka-worry sa mga may allergy.
Oo, yun lang. Pagka may allergy ka sa shrimp, sa peanut, yun lang na magiging problem. So yun. But it's, I think it's highly recommended kung wala ka naman mga allergy and something that you would like to do as an option, pwedeng gawin. Yun. Kung for kids, ako I don't highly recommend kasi hindi nila masyadong trip yung mga pagkain na ganun, tsaka hindi nila trip yung mga kalma-kalma na ganyan. So, it's for adults.
Pakita mo si Optimus Prime.
Si Optimus Prime ba yan? Basta ba
Optimus Prime.
Papam-pam-pam, bansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Papam-pam-pam, bansang pamilya. Papam-pam, samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na baling ng pamilya.